Hey guys, it's Mrs. Giroux here. This is for day 10, if you missed class or you just want to review. Okay, day 10. So today is the end of week 2, and you'll see that several things are due. Your project is due, okay, and all of the classwork that we've done all week. So this is what we covered. Okay, what is due today is the 12 by 18 drawing. It's due at the end of class. We worked on it all class period, which is a well-composed composition. One traced hand, one contour line hand, one realistically shaded hand. We used some resources from Pinterest whenever we needed them. Okay. And your grade, of course, like we've been talking, your grades are based on, sorry about that. Your grades are based on the good composition. We talked again, reviewed what a composition was. Good craftsmanship, not just that you did it, but how well you've done it. Looking at your edges, eraser lines, torn, how well you did your contour line, how well your tracing was, if it's got good closure, and creativity. So how creative is it? Did you add something extra to it? Have you creatively composed your picture? Have you added a hand maybe holding a pencil or a marker or a ball? Different things you can do, and I'm going to show you an example in a second. You're going to submit your work for grading inside your portfolio. You need to sign your work. Front or back is fine with me. Okay, and we reviewed all of the elements of line together. Here we are. It can also be found in your Exploring Visual Design book. If you feel like you're falling behind with the vocabulary, you're welcome to check out Exploring Visual Design from our Media Center at Give East, and that will help you. That will help you kind of follow along with what we're learning, especially the vocabulary part. So, if I can hold this there, can read all of that. We went over the characteristics of line, again what line is. We then covered types of lines, and we're actually using those. You're demonstrating that you know what these are on your summative project. Next week is going to be, or day 11 is going to start shape and form. Okay, so let me show you some examples of what was done today and what was turned in. When you turn in your work, of course, you're going to turn it inside your portfolio. Okay, it's an envelope. And inside your portfolio should be several things. One is the major project for today. Okay, and here's this person's composition, very well composed. Tracing, contour, shading, the person's name, added some creativity to it. You're also going to have the summative assignment of your continuous line face. One continuous line on a piece of colored construction paper. Left off his eyeballs. But other than that, it's one continuous line. I watched him do this, which is very, very good. You might also have in there some of the work we did in class, which was the continuous line blind contour. Again, blind contour maybe of a partner. Some of the gesture lines that we did. That's one type of the lines. This one's very, very good. Okay, and some other drawings of a continuous line practice. Okay, and so all of this gets inside your portfolio. If you do not have a portfolio, I will grade it as an NTI, and then when you get it submitted in your grading portfolio, I will grade it and update your grades. Also on this week, we have a spot for the other writing, which is number 1. We actually did that last week on day 3, so if you need to refer back to day 3, you've already done this if you were here on day 3. It was a description writing, a short description. Okay, and so if you're unclear on that, go back to day 3 and fast forward to the part where it talks about writing for success and the written critique. Critiques have 4 parts to them, if you'll recall. Description is the first part, and so we just did our writing for success on a description of a famous piece of artwork. All right, I will see you soon, I hope. Bye-bye.